Hi YouTube, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back making hair videos after a long hiatus. I just feel like it's a good time for me to do videos again, just because I'm at a point in my life where I'm ready to reconnect to things that are important to me, like my heritage, and I feel it's a perfect way to express myself in these videos. So this video, without further ado, is on head wraps because I'm super obsessed with them, and a few years back I felt like I wanted to wear them outside of my house. So anyways, let's get to the first video, to the first wrap. And it is a scarf I got at the African store, and it is 2 meters long. Let me take another step back. I already divided it in half, split it in half and folded it. It's already creased. Okay, so I just take the back end of it and I kind of divide it right in half and put that on the back of my hair. And I go ahead and make one knot. Okay. Try to get it as tight as possible without giving yourself a headache. Definitely don't do that. All right. And then I go again and I make another knot. Then I make one more knot. So then I have these ends here. I just take them and tuck them in the back. See what I'm doing? Okay. So any frayed ends, of course, you could hem them down. I just tend to just tuck them in general. All right. So that's the first wrap. Do a 360 for you. Okay. I just want to show you can do anything with any type of scarf if you don't have something from Africa. I use my old pashmina. It's different sides. A different color on each side. So I just take that one end and I wrap that behind my ear first, right? Now obviously this is also better when your hair is just completely flat. I do have twists in my hair, but it also works. So you just want to tilt your head down and hold that one side. So I don't know if you can see my hand is holding the one side down. I'm going to take this and I'm going to wrap in an upward motion. So as long as that first one is tight, going to take it and wrap upwards. Now you have all these like little string end pieces. So what I do is I just take them and just try to like wrap it and tuck it under. Okay. I was gonna just tuck my hair under as well. Okay. Then I just manipulate the scarf to my liking. So I just might fold down the top a little, create little unique styling with the folds, just to give me a finished look that I really like. Okay, and that's it for look number 2. I'll do a 360 as well. Okay. All right. Also, if it looks a little odd in the back, you can also fix it. I'm realizing here, it's hard to see. I have a mirror in back, but obviously we'd be doing this perfectly in front of a mirror and you would be able to see clearly. Okay, that's look number 2. Comes off very easily. So this one, I'm using a scarf a fabric that I got from the African store as well. This one is absolutely beautiful. The colors are this like blue and teal color. It is also 2 meters in length. Again, I divide this in half. Okay. And put this on the back. I then fold 1 knot up front. Get those ears as tightly as possible. Then I just fold the wrap it around 1 time, and try and tuck it underneath. Okay, then I get the other one. Tightly wrap it and tuck it underneath. So you're creating somewhat of like a crown or like a bun on top of your head. Definitely not a top knot because it's much larger, but it's supposed to be very regal. And if you don't like the ends, again, always like just tuck them under. I'm talking about this white part here that you see on the scarf. If you like it, then leave it. If you don't, tuck it. Same for our front too. I actually don't mind it though, but I just want to show that you can tuck anything. Okay. All right, let me take a step back so we can view the final product. Kind of looking like a crown. I love it. Like 360 for you. Okay. All right. The next scarf is going to be one of my regular plain old cotton scarves. So I would normally do this. I should just show it all the way. Now I would normally do this hairstyle, next hairstyle, when my hair is in a low bun. But since I have twists that are kind of like pinned up to the side, it's gonna look a little off, but you can use your imagination. All right, so again, divide the scarf in half, place up front. Now, I should note that it's too long in the back, right? Make sure you can see that. So what I'm gonna do is fold the scarf some, like a quarter of the way. It's hard to tell because it's the same color. Okay. But now this back piece doesn't hang too long, because what you want to do is create a knot. Okay. So it's nice and tight up front. The knot's created. Ooh. Now take this and wrap. Turn around for you. And tuck it. Take the other side. Twist as well. And go through and tuck it the other way. Wrap and tuck. Wrap and tuck. Now I have my hair pinned up in the back, so there's a lump right here. But overall, that's a style. Feel free to do some baby hairs if that's your thing. If that's not your thing, then just leave it alone as is. So this is the style. All right, that's wrap number 4. On to my most favorite one. Again, with the African fabric. And it is 3 meters long. And this thing goes and goes and goes and goes. Alright. So again, I also folded the scarf in half. Okay. Widthwise, I should note that. I'm saying folded in half, but widthwise. Length is still going to be 3 meters. Okay. And back, just fold it opposite of each other. And then create the knot up front. Okay. It's important, and I'll explain in a little why you want to have that little piece up front to tuck stuff into. So you're going to create a bow. Using fabric. Now this is a very dramatic scarf. I love it. That's not for the faint of heart, but if you like some drama in your life, you know, get those ends and tuck them. But as I was saying, if you like some drama in your life, then go for it. Try the scarf, wear it, love it, own it. Let me step back far enough so I can see what I'm doing here. Okay. So you can push back and fold to your liking. And then that's it. That's down number 5. Take back and I'm going to do a 360. Okay. I'll do a close-up so you can see a little bit. It is very dramatic. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.